Hi guys!
Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it because there is so much to do in this room. We are going to repaint my kids' room. I will also be rearranging some furniture in here as well. And of course, we're going to be doing some ultimate cleaning in here. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Alright, so we moved a little bit of furniture around. We also applied this painter's plastic, I believe it's called, around the rim or the baseboard of the wall. And we also applied this plastic on our furniture as well as the bed, so that way when we paint the roof, the paint wouldn't fall onto the kids' bed or the furniture, as well as the floor, of course. But so yeah, so we're gonna do this all the way around until it is safe to do so to start our painting. Now we are moving on to paint. I'm not a pro. I don't understand why we just couldn't use that bucket, open the lid and get the paint from there. But my mom had us to put that bucket paint into another bucket of paint. So confusing, I know, but I'm gonna listen to her.
Hi guys!
I just had to put her in the second time around to hear her say that. It was just so cute to me. But she wanted to get the first roll into painting the ceiling, and she's the boss in here, so of course she did it first. But of course, it can get exhausting and your arms can get a little bit tensed and sore up, especially for someone like me who I really hardly don't ever exercise. So I did take over and I did the whole ceiling by myself. I just let her do this little area here. Of course, I wasn't gonna let my mom do that hard work. So I do take over, and she will be painting the door as well as some of the, what is it, baseboard or trim, or both. But so yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing here. And as you guys can see, I was getting mold again. I did put some of that paint, that spray paint, that molding spray paint onto here, I don't know, about 2 weeks ago. And so we're just going to go ahead and paint over it just to cover up that mold that keeps coming up on here. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing here. All right, so I'm gonna slow it down a little bit because to me this was so satisfying. I kept telling my mom, I don't know, I'm gonna record it. This is satisfying to me to watch it, the before and after on how it looked, just that it needed a bit of a fresh paint, and how a little bit of fresh paint can go a long way, you guys. Like, I don't know, it might just be me, but I actually enjoyed it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, is just slowing it down a little bit and enjoying the process of this. right, so that was enough of a break there of the little recording that I did there with my mom. And now we're just going to finish off the ceiling and cover up some of this molding on there. Now I'm not painting over the mold. I did use a molding can about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And now my mom is the one that provided for the paint, which here I just want to say thank you to my mom for providing it and helping, because I know the paint can get a lot pricey. So I just want to tell her thank you for providing it and for helping, and she is very much appreciated, and that I love her so very much for always going above and beyond for us. All right, so now I cannot wait. We are starting this wall. I know it looks like it's a white on white, but I promise you it's not. It says it's an eggshell on the can. And to me, I don't know, once we were done and once it dried, it looks like a bone color, which I really love. And here I was trying to write subscribe, but it didn't fit. You guys get the memo here. If you're new here, I would love to have you and subscribe. If you're enjoying so far, I do all types of videos on my channel, as in mommy videos, cleaning videos, cooking videos, haul videos, you guys name it. I try to do it all on this channel. But so yeah, so we're just going to finish off this wall, and I cannot wait until you guys see the end of the results of this. So as I'm here editing, I realized that that color was actually coming through. Like in person, I couldn't really tell. Neither could my mom. We were just like, what? It looks white. Like the whole room looked white, but I don't know. Now it's like as I'm editing and once it dried, like we can see the color of the shell color, but I don't know. I kept calling it bone color for some reason. It looks more like a bone color to me. So yeah, so let me know so far, like, what do you guys think? Like, I cannot wait for you guys to see the end of this whole room. Like, once it is done, like, the whole wall just looks so much different and bigger and brighter. I love it. All right, so now it's time to clean up. And of course, I'm not going to leave that corner like that. I do paint it off camera just to try to speed up the process because I didn't realize that we were running out of time. I had to take my oldest son to work. So I was trying to I was actually a bit in of a hurry here. But of course, with my mom's help, it was just so much easier. So I'm just going to move the furniture over so that way I can move the TV stand over so I can paint that area, and then we'll go ahead and start cleaning and rearranging the whole furniture.